Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Okay students, today we will learn about adverbs, and in this lecture I will tell you more about adverbs. In my previous lesson I explained about adverb. Have you remembered that? What is an adverb? Recall and tell me what is an adverb. Students, what is an adverb? Yes, adverb tells us more about verb. Adverbs tells how an action is done. In simple definition, what is adverb? Adverb tells us how an action is done. Okay, the adverbs modify the verbs. It tells more about verb. Okay, in previous lecture, we learned only about adverb. What is the meaning of adverb? In simple, we learned the adverb through the examples. And now in this lesson, we will learn the different kinds, how many kinds an adverb has. We will learn in detail about adverb. And this is on our worksheet number 4. And the page numbers are 66 and 67. And the topic is more about adverb. Look at the picture, students. Okay, adverb. How an action is done. Look at the questions. The students are raising the questions. Okay, these questions tells how we can find out about the adverb. Okay, how an action is done. Next is in what manner an action is done. Where an action is done. To what extent an action is done. When an action is done. All these questions give us the answer to adverb. Okay, all these questions tells us about adverb. Okay, moving to our lecture. First we will learn about the definition. First we will learn what is the definition of an adverb. Okay, an adverb is a word which describes a verb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word which describes a verb. It means adverb tells us more about verb. It describes a verb. It modifies a verb. It adds more meaning to the verb. The words which tells more about the verb, that is called adverb. Okay. And as in my previous lecture, I told you the word adverb. In the word adverb, the meaning is hidden. Add verb. Okay. Adverb tells more about verb. Okay, students. In this lesson, we will learn the types of adverb. How many types an adverb has? An adverb has 4 types, but in this lecture, I will tell you only about 3 types. And what are those types? Adverb of manner, adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Okay, what are those 3 types? We are going to learn adverb of manner. Number 1 is adverb of manner. Number 2 is adverb of place. And number 3 is adverb of time. Okay, these are very simple. Okay, and we can understand through the examples. We can understand it through our examples. Okay, let's move to the examples. First is adverb of manner. First type is adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb of manner explains how an action occurs. Okay. Adverb of manners explains how an action occurs. Okay. Look at the picture. Okay. Jumped happily. Okay. Jumped happily. He jumped, but how? He jumped happily. Happily is his action. Okay, how he jumped. So happily it tells that it is adverb of manner. Stared angrily. He stared angrily with anger. So stared angrily. Angrily is adverb of manner. Okay, run swiftly. Run swiftly. Swiftly with speed. Okay, so these all three are adverb of manners because they are telling about the manners. Okay, the words which describes the manners, that adverbs are called adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how an action took place. Okay, what is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner tells us how an action took place. For example, the young man walked briskly. Look at the picture. The young man is walking. And how did the young man walk? The young man walked briskly. Briskly means with speed. Briskly means with speed. Quickly, fast. The young man walked briskly. Briskly word describes how an action is done. It is adverb of manner. It tells about the manner of the young man. Okay. So briskly is adverb of manner. Briskly tells how the young man walked. It is adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb of manners tells about the manners, the words which tells you about the manners, like the teacher spoke politely. Politely is the manner of the teacher, so it is adverb of manner. The children played happily. Happily is there, they are showing the children are happy, so happily is adverb of manner. The words which describes the manner of some person, they are called adverb of manner. Okay, students, let's see the next example. Okay, number 2 type is adverb of place. Adverb of place. It is very simple also. Adverb of place explains where an action takes place. It is very simple. Adverb of place. In the sentences, if there is a space, a place mentioned, it would be adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us about the place of the action, where the action takes place, where the action takes place. So the place in the sentences, if there is a place mentioned, it is adverb of place. Okay, for example, the children are playing outside. The children are playing outside. Outside is a place. Okay, so it is adverb of place. The children are playing in the park. Park is a place. So this sentence is telling about adverb of place. The children are playing in their rooms. Okay, rooms are a place. So it is adverb of place. Okay, I'm going to school. School is a place. So this sentence is also adverb of place. In the sentence, if the place is mentioned, then it would be about adverb of place. Okay, let's move to the next type of adverb. Okay, the third type of adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time. It is also very simple. If in the sentence time is mentioned, then it would be adverb of time. Okay, first we will learn what is adverb of time. Adverbs of time explains when an action takes place. It tells about the time when an action takes place. Okay, adverb of time tells us about the time of action taking place. For example, the mother dove started to build a nest yesterday. The mother dove started to build a nest yesterday. Okay, dove is a bird. The mother dove started to build a nest yesterday. Yesterday, in this sentence, yesterday is a time. Okay, in this sentence, the time is mentioned. So, it is an adverb of time. Okay, let's see the next example. Students, in these examples, you have to tell me what types of adverbs are these. The examples are given to you, but you have to tell me what types of adverbs are these. Okay, how many types of adverbs we learned in this lesson? 3. And what are those? Adverb of manner, the words which tells about the manner, how they are doing the work, that is called adverb of manner. Next is adverb of place, and if in the sentence there is the place is mentioned, it is adverb of place. And third type is adverb of time, and if in the sentence the time is mentioned, it is adverb of time. Okay, children, look carefully, read the sentence, and now you will tell me what type of adverbs are these. Okay, sentence number 1 is Hassan drove the car carefully. Hassan drove the car carefully. How did Hassan drive the car? Hassan drove the car carefully. Carefully is a word which is telling us how Hassan drove the car. So carefully is adverb of manner. Yes, carefully is adverb of manner. Okay. The boy spoke rudely. Next sentence is the boy spoke rudely. Look at the picture. It is showing the rude behavior of the boy. The boy spoke rudely. How did the boy speak? The boy spoke rudely. Okay. Rudely, here rudely is telling us about the boy, how he spoke, and rudely is his manner, how the boy spoke. So rudely is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Okay. Okay, students, in our previous lecture, I have told you how we can change the adjective in adverb. What was the rule? Have you remembered? Yes. In the end of adjective, if we add ly, they become adverb. Look in the sentence carefully. Careful is adjective, and if we add ly, it is adverb ly. And mostly ly words are adverbs, okay? And they are adverbs of manner here, carefully, and rude from rude, rudely. Okay, rude adjective, and from how we have made it adverb by adding ly. Rudely is adverb of manner. Okay, let's see the next examples. Okay, I went to zoo last Sunday. I went to zoo last Sunday. Okay, I went to zoo. When? Last Sunday. Okay, when did you go to zoo? I went to zoo last Sunday. In this sentence, the time is mentioned. So what type of adverb is this? This is adverb of time. This is adverb of time. I went to zoo last Sunday. Sunday, last Sunday. Okay. The time is mentioned. When did you go to zoo? I went to zoo last Sunday. Okay. So what type of adverb is this? Yes, it is adverb of time. If in the sentence time is mentioned, then it would be adverb of time. The next is last year I was in class 2. Okay, last year you were in class 2, and look in the picture, now you are in class 3. Okay, last year, it is also time. Last year, I was in class 2. Okay, in this sentence, when you was in class 2, last year. Okay, so last year, it is a time, and this sentence is telling us about adverb of time. Last year, I was in class 2. You have to write on the lines adverb of time. The lines are given to you, and you have to write on the lines what type of adverbs are these. Are these adverb of time, adverb of manner, or adverb of place? Okay, students, here we have two more examples. The first one is the children are playing in the park. Where are the children playing? The children are playing in the park. Okay. The children are playing. This is verb. Playing is verb. But where are the children playing? They are playing in the park. And students, the place is mentioned in this sentence. What is the place? It is park. Park is a place. So what type of adverb is this? Yes, this is adverb of place. This is adverb of place. The children are playing in the park. This is adverb of place. Park is a place. So this on the line, what you have to do? You have to write adverb of place. Okay. Now look at the next example. The students are studying in the school. Where are the students studying? The students are studying in the school. Okay. The place is mentioned in this sentence. Yes. And what is that place? Okay, school. School is that place where the students are studying. So what type of adverb is this? This is adverb of place. Yes, this is adverb of place. Okay, students. In this lesson, what you have learned? You have learned more about adverb. Okay, you have learned more about adverb. We learned about three types of adverb. And what are those types? Those types are adverb of manner, the words which describes about manner, your behavior. Those words are called adverbs of manners. Okay, next we learned about adverb of time. If the answer is given to you in the sentence, what time that action took place, that is adverb of time. And where the action took place, that is called adverb of place. And if in the sentences the place is mentioned where the action took place, that is called adverb of place. So you learned about three types of adverbs. Okay, students, now you have learned and you have understood what types of adverbs have. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.